Hello world! Hello Filipinos! I'm Mr. Melber Moydinyoso. I'm a Filipino. I'm currently working as a professor in the College of Information, Technology and Computer Studies at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. I'm a professor in IT for 25 years, not only here in the Philippines but also in other nations. And what I will discuss right now is how to install Windows 11 operating system in VMWare Workstation. Okay? So, we have already installed VirtualBox, which is an application in a virtual machine also. Also VMware Workstation, this is also a virtual machine applications wherein it can run multiple operating systems. Okay, so right now we will go to File and then New Virtual Machine, and then just click typical here, next. So browse. So my virtual machine, my ISO operating system is in drive D. It is in my external hard disk, which is this drive here, Spider King. So it is here, okay, this folder here, Windows 11 Professional. So this one, this is the operating system. Select this one and then select this one and then open. Okay, so next. And then this one will be Alpha, the Windows 11 Alpha. So click next. So the password here, we are not into production. We are just doing this for educational purposes. For us to know, for us to remember the password, it should be just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Because we are not into production, we are only doing educational purposes. But if we are in the production, it should be combination of symbols, numbers, letters, uppercase, lowercase, and it should also, you can create a passphrase. Okay, so and other than that, not less than 8 characters. So our password will be just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I put 8 passwords, 8 characters of password here because it requires 8 characters. Okay, you need to input here 8 characters because it requires 8 characters. So click next. So here will be single file. Click this single file, radio button. Store virtual disk as a single file. Next. So here class, you can also customize the hardware, meaning that you can customize the specification of the hardware. For example, here the memory is 4 GB. The processor is dual core. It can have a CD drive, network adapter is not, USB controller is present, sound card is auto detect, and display is auto detect. If you want to increase the memory, it's up to you. Increase here, but even though it is just 4 GB, it is enough to do so. No? So what we will do is just press close and then finish. So I have told you that we can share files and folders also, wherein in peer-to-peer networking we can do so here. Because if we have no physical software, physical hardware, it is very difficult for us to learn peer-to-peer networking and client-server networking. So we do this thing for us for educational purposes. So that, because we cannot afford to buy physical hardware or physical computers, because for example, you will network 5 computers together. How can you do that if you have only one computer? Of course, you can do that using VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. But if you will buy 5 computers just to practice peer-to-peer networking, it's very difficult because computers are very expensive. Other than that, you have to buy switches, you have to buy routers. But here, no, you can also have internet connection here using the Wi-Fi that you have after installing the VMware, the operating systems. So here it is, Windows Alpha. So here, click this one, no? Power on this virtual machine. Control Alt. There. Now, finally, we are successful in installing the preliminary installation of Windows. So it is already being installed. So what we will do here is that we are now already installing Windows 11 Professional in virtual machine or VMware Workstation. Okay, let us just wait. So we need these things, in order for us here, class, here. So it should be language to install, English, time and currency format, English, keyboard, English, next. So I accept, next, this one. So this one can also be done, no? Like, for example, how you install Windows 11 operating system in a blank computer. It is also like this. So what we will do is, we will just have new. Okay? So we will no longer partition these things, but you can partition it. Okay? Because so the size that I have only given is just 64 GB. Because this is just installation of Windows. We are not going to install other softwares here. But if you want to install other softwares here, it's also good, no? For example, if you will have to try to install another application in this virtual machine, you can also do so. Okay? You are running multiple operating system, and then you can also install other softwares for every operating system or virtual machine operating system installed in this VMware Workstation. Okay? Then apply. Then okay. There. So we will install it here. Primary. Go to primary. The next. It is already installing. So this is the installation of Windows. So it is already being installed. So let us just wait until the installation is finished. So here class, now here my dearest Filipinos, is that we can install many operating system as we want here. And then we can run, if our computer is powerful enough to run all this operating system, it can do so. The specification of my computer is Windows is Titanium 7, and memory is just 21 gigabytes of memory. So if I will add another 16 gigabyte, much better. Okay, this is very fast in installing Windows 11 operating system because it is just virtual, no? If you try to install it in a physical computer, it will be much slower. But here it is just very fast. So, in the second installation of Windows, in the next installation of Windows 11, we will no longer do it, no? Because what we will do is we will just clone this Windows 11 Alpha here with a different name. Clone the exact copy of this Windows 11 Alpha will be cloned but different name, because if it has the same name, it will be difficult because there will be conflicts. And then this operating system, we can share, we can know how to share files and folders in a network using this Windows 11 Alpha and the clone copy of Windows 11 Alpha. You can run these multiple operating systems together if you want to do so. No? So, other than this, no, if you have Windows 11 here already, because Windows 11 is a client operating system. If you will install Windows Server 2018 or 2021 server, so you can do so. You can do Active Directory, you can do domain, you can do anything that you want, printer server, database server, you can do so. This is a big help for us who cannot afford, no, to study in specialized tutorial schools which offer these courses, because it is expensive. For you to understand these things, you just have to buy books and then you will do it here, or else you can download books in the internet and then practice it here in a VMware Workstation. Okay, so if you will study Windows Server operating system, you can do so here. No, if you have a powerful computer, much better, because other than the server operating systems that you will run, no, you will have client computers, like for example Windows 11 or Windows 10, and then you can simulate, no, what roles of server do you like to perform. Okay, so this is a great educational tool for us to learn on how to network. Other than that, for example, if you want to do remote desktop, you can also do it here. No? Other than that, like what we are doing right now, no? Other versions of VMware Workstation, a product of VMware, wherein there will be there are other VMware wherein it can act as a server. No? If you cannot afford to buy a physical server, because it is very expensive to buy a physical server, you can also do, if you just have one server but it is powerful, no? You can already have these servers with multiple roles by just using another version of VMware. No? If you will just have to research. Okay? There are other VMware that you can use as a means of hosting this Windows Server operating system. Okay? So let us see what will happen. Yes, here. So it is already here, no? So this one, Super Kali, okay. Let us just stop this one. So that so you have seen that, no? Let us just wait. So, later, I will discuss how to clone this Windows 11 operating system. So, we are now the administrator. This is our account. Now, we have successfully installed Windows 11 in this computer. Okay? So, that's it, no? You are successful in installing. So, we just have to finish the remaining installation. Okay, let us just wait. Here, we have successfully installed Windows 11 operating system. Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy? We should be happy. Huh? So we have successfully installed Windows 11 operating system in VMware. Okay? So that's it. No, that's it. My dearest Filipinos, that's it. My dear students, we are successfully installed Windows 11 operating system in VMware Workstation. Thank you. So, God bless each and every one of you. I love you all, my dear students. I love you all, my dearest Filipinos. God bless us all. Love you all. Momo chup chup.